The lights go out, the machines grind to a halt, the frustration, the lost time, we've all been there. Solar energy offers a path to both security and peace of mind. Generate your own clean power and reduce dependence on the grid. Stop worrying about expensive repairs. Solar panels are built to last, keeping your focus on what matters, your business. Go green, feel good, show the world your commitment to a sustainable future. Attract customers who share your values. We know one size doesn't fit all. We'll work with you to design a customized system that perfectly fits your energy needs. Imagine a future powered by the sun, a future where you control your energy destiny, a future filled with sunshine, productivity, and peace of mind. Let's make that future a reality. Contact us today for a free consultation and see how solar can empower your business. Sunkind Energy. Renew the future.